How Spider Farmer self-watering system works. Lay out the full setup. Fill the 50L folding bucket with water. Turn on the shutoff valve. Water flows into the shutoff valve box, which controls the water volume automatically. Using gravity, water moves down into the self-watering pot base. Water-absorbing cotton ropes pull moisture up to your plants as needed. Compatible with various grow bag sizes, from 1 to 7 gallons. 100% gravity powered. No electricity needed. Total peace of mind. Try it now and give your plants the perfect hydration automatically.